Kuala and I am your host for today. Before we start, we will inform about our web part. For information, the web part was opened in 1991. It is about 21 acres, housing more than 3,000 locals and foreign birds. Lots of birds, right? Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, before we start the show, my colleague just told me that we have a birthday boy joining us here today. And his name is Harry. Welcome, Harry. Harry, happy birthday, Harry. Now, guys, that's your favor. Can you all sing happy birthday song to Harry? Yeah, and then we will come on the count of here, right? Now, ready, everyone? 1, 2, and 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Harry. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Harry. So glad to meet you, right? Okay, now, everyone ready for the show? Right? So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, please welcome our first performer for today, Ringo, our very patriotic band. Right, now Ringo is going to the Malaysia, but ready, Ringo? All the way to the top, buddy. All the way, Ringo, hold it down, sing it again. Well done, Ringo. Big hand to Ringo, everyone. Oh my God. Good job, Ringo. That was great. Thank you, Ringo. Thank you, Mr. Conklin. Okay, so now, everyone, please welcome Mr. Green, our summer present cockatoo. Come on, Mr. Green. Would you train us in Italian? Mr. Green will have something to say to the audience. Okay, now, Green, what is it, boy? Up with you, Mr. Green. Ready? W, E, L, C, O, N.